With the help of this AI tool, you will be able to generate real AI music. Yes, guys, this is so genuine and so real. So let's start the video. Firstly, come to this website sounddraw.io. I have given the link in the description. And whatever kind of music you want, just click on that music. Suppose I want hip hop. Click on that. Here you will have to select all these options one by one. So firstly, click generation, hip hop, mood, happy. You can select any option you want as per your need. Theme, length you will have to select. I'll select the minimum 10 second because I'm just showing you. And see, there are hundreds of music have been generated. So you can just check out any music you want. So let me check one now how it feel like. So this is amazing, guys. So there are so many variations. So you can play any one you want and you can just simply download it from here. For download this music, you will have to buy their premium plan. So here is the pricing. You can see the pricing. This is so premium music. So they are not free. You will have to buy their premium plan. Then you will be able to download it. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.